white tea and black tea. Green tea is produced in a separate factory because the machines used to produce green tea is totally different. White tea, we get only this tiny tip, the topmost part of the plant, and dry them in the hot morning sun. No many machinery process for white tea production, just drying under the sun and packing. So inside the factory it's only black tea. This is the first stage. Each machine 250 kilos. Per 20 minutes we are rolling the tea leaves. After 20 minutes we take the tea leaves to the cutting machines and the mill. They are being chopped the tea leaves to make the powder for the tea bags. Again after 20 minutes we take the tea leaves to these sieving machines over here. Those machines work with the vibration. Due to the vibration, small and big particles are separated. Bigger particles we are cutting again. Small particles we take them to the tables over here.